Number 60, complete the changes in concentrations or pressure, if requested, for each of the following reactions, and then we have this one out of the bunch. So we have to find out the changes in the pressure, because I see that I have torr here, for 2CH4 gas, which comes to equilibrium with C2H2 gas plus 3H2 gas. Now, remember guys, torr is a unit of pressure. So just memorize that. Anytime that you see torr, you are talking about pressure values. Now we just have to find the changes in those pressures. We don't know the initials and we don't know the finals, aka the equilibrium values. All we know is what we're changing it by. So we got to base it off what we know. They told us that C2H2 gas was increasing by an X value. I say that it's increasing because this is a positive value. They didn't say negative. So I'm going to say that this was going up by an X value. So if one product is increasing, that means that the other product also has to be increasing. And then in turn, the reactants have to be decreasing. So that's the thing, guys. If you see that one side is increasing, the other side has to be doing the opposite, decreasing, and then vice versa, right? So I know that the H2 has to be a plus, and the CH4 has to be a minus. This side is increasing and this side is decreasing. But now by how much? Well, that's when we just use our coefficients, the ratios. There's a 2 for the CH4. There was no number in front of the C2H2. Remember, that means that there's 1. And then there's a 3 in front of the H2. So for example, this was just an X because it was a 1X, right? But usually when we have 1X, we don't write the 1. So do the same thing here. This was a 3. So this would be plus 3x, that's the number. And this would be minus 2x. Use the 2 as that number. Now we just have to fill in the actual values. Well, they did say that the x, right, there was only one x and that equaled 25. So if I know that x equals 25, I can just use that and solve for 2x and 3x. This would be minus 2 times 25, and this would be plus 3 times 25. And now we have our values. Negative 2 times 25 is minus 50, so that means that this is dropping. That means that's what the negative means. It's dropping by 50 torr. There is no such thing as negative pressure. It just means that we're dropping. The change is decreasing. And then the same thing for this one. 3 times 25 is 75. So this would be increasing by 75 torr. And there are all of your answers. So hopefully this helped. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Keep studying hard, and I will see you in later lessons. Bye-bye.